Yo, what's up guys? Tuturuan ko nga pala po kayo kung paano mag-recording at mag-ayos ng settings ng Real Drums. Punta po tayo sa Real Drums. Wait lang po tayo. Punta po tayo doon sa tatlong tuldok. Pindutin po natin. Punta po tayo sa settings. At punta po tayo sa record background song. Pindutin lang po natin yan. Check kailangan. Tapos back na po tayo. Tapos texting po tayo. Punta po tayo sa music. Bago pili lang po tayo ng kanta. Roll. Testing na po natin.
Baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. You give me love and affection. I give you all my possessions. I'm trying to stay by your side till the day I die. You give me all of your love and I give you.
Pagkatapos po, i-save natin at punta po tayo sa ating ni-recording at tingnan na po natin kung naging maayos. Punta po tayo sa record bago pindutin po natin yung mga ni-record natin.
Yeah. Baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom.
Yun, naging maayos naman po ating pagre-recording at sana isubscribe nyo po ako at pabutin nyo po ako 1,000 subscriber. Please.